Have you ever understood every English word in a sentence, but still didn't understand the meaning? For example, I'll pick you up at 8. Did someone pick you up with their hands? Of course not. That's because English is full of phrasal verbs. If you want to sound natural like a native speaker, you must learn them. Today, I'll teach you 20 everyday phrasal verbs that English speakers use all the time. Let's begin. 1. Wake up, meaning stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. 2. Get up, meaning leave your bed. Example, I got up and brushed my teeth. 3. Put on, meaning wear clothes. Example, put on your jacket. It's cold outside. 4. Take off, meaning remove clothes. Example, take off your shoes before entering. 5. Turn on, meaning start a machine. Example, please turn on the fan. 6. Turn off, meaning stop a machine. Example, turn off the lights before leaving. 7. Pick up, meaning collect someone or something. Example, I'll pick you up after school. 8. Drop off, meaning leave someone somewhere. Example, Dad dropped me off at college. 9. Sit down, meaning take a seat. Example, please sit down. 10. Stand up, meaning rise to your feet. Example, everyone stood up when the teacher entered. 11. Look for, meaning search. Example, I'm looking for my keys. 12. Find out, meaning discover information. Example, I found out the answer yesterday. 13. Give up, meaning stop trying. Example, never give up on your dreams. 14. Go on, meaning continue. Example, please go on with your story. 15. Come back, meaning return. Example, she'll come back tomorrow. 16. Go out, meaning leave home for fun or work. Example, we went out for dinner. 17. Run into, meaning meet someone unexpectedly. Example, I ran into my old friend at the market. 18. Call back, meaning return a phone call. Example, I'll call you back later. 19. Work out, meaning exercise. Example, she works out every morning. 20. Calm down, meaning become relaxed. Example, take a deep breath and calm down. Good morning. Today, let's learn phrasal verbs through a simple story. Ali woke up at 6:30 in the morning. A few minutes later, he got up and smiled because it was going to be a wonderful day. He put on his blue shirt and black jeans. Before taking a shower, he took off his pajamas and got ready for work. Then he turned on the kitchen light and made himself a cup of tea. Before leaving the house, he turned off all the lights to save electricity. His friend Ahmed called and said, "Don't worry, I'll pick you up at 8 o'clock. Ahmed arrived on time, picked up Ali, and later dropped him off at the office. When Ali entered the meeting room, his manager smiled and said, "Please sit down." A few minutes later, everyone had to stand up to welcome an important guest. After the meeting, Ali started to look for an important file. He couldn't find it anywhere. Finally, he found out that he had left it in his car. For a moment, Ali wanted to give up, but then he remembered his manager's advice. Never give up, just go on trying. Ali went to his car, found the file, and completed his work successfully. In the evening, he came back home, changed his clothes, and went out with his sister for dinner. At the restaurant, he unexpectedly ran into his old English teacher. They had a wonderful conversation. Before leaving, the teacher said, "I'll call you back tomorrow. I have a great opportunity for you." The next morning, the teacher called and invited Ali to join a fitness club. Ali happily accepted and promised to work out 3 times a week. Life became busy, but whenever Ali felt stressed, he took a deep breath and calmed down. From that day on, Ali believed that success comes to people who never give up, keep going, and stay calm. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who is learning English. Also, tell me in the comments, which phrasal verb was new for you? I'll see you in the next English lesson.